most people forget the importance of cleansing. It is not just rubbing your skin for 30 seconds. You have to actually remove dirt, dust and pollutants. Without proper cleansing, dirt, oil, dust and impurities clog up the pores, leading to breakouts. This not only results in acne but also dull, uneven texture and lifeless skin. This is why the first step in any skincare routine, cleansing, is so very important. If the skin is not properly cleansed, then the serums and moisturizers that you apply will not work. The first step in double cleansing routine is micellar water, and most people use micellar water only when they wear makeup. I am going to tell you the right way to use a cleansing water. Micellar water is a gentle cleanser made up of micelles, which are tiny balls of cleansing oil suspended in soft water. It is used to remove makeup, dirt and impurities from the skin without the need of rinsing. So my go-to micellar water is from Garnier. So before I start my skincare of applying serums and sunscreen, I do my double cleansing. Using micellar water on your face is simple. Pour, press, wipe. Pour a small amount of micellar water on the cotton pad. Gently wipe the dampened cotton pad over your face, starting from the center and moving outwards. Focus on areas with makeup, dirt and excess oil. Repeat the process with fresh cotton pad if necessary until the pad comes out clean. There is absolutely no need to rinse your face.
It is super gentle on the skin.
It suits my oily skin really well. Not just oily skin, it suits every other skin types including the sensitive ones. It acts like a magnet to attract dirt and dust without leaving any sticky residue. It is free from parabens and sulphates. It removes 100% dust, dirt, pollution, sunscreen and makeup. So after I finish with the first step, I move on to the second step, which is cleansing your face with your regular face wash. Cleansing your skin is basic and so very important, and most of our girls miss out the first and basic step in skincare routine.
Micellar water offers several benefits for skincare routines. Micellar water effectively removes dirt, oil and makeup without harsh scrubbing, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Micellar water contains hydrating ingredients, which helps to maintain the skin's moisture level, leaving the skin feel refreshed and hydrated. Micellar water is designed to be used without rinsing, making it convenient for quick cleansing, especially on the go or during travel. It is suitable for all skin types, including the sensitive ones. Use micellar water as a quick and easy cleanser in the morning or as a first step in your double cleansing routine at night. It removes impurities and excess oil without stripping the skin of its natural oils, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and clean. Keep a bottle of micellar water handy for quick refreshes throughout the day, especially when you need to remove sweat, oil or grime without rinsing your face with water. Micellar water is a convenient travel companion since it doesn't require rinsing, making it perfect for the on-the-go cleansing, whether you're camping, traveling or simply in a rush. Before applying skincare products or makeup, use micellar water to cleanse and prep your skin, ensuring that it is free of any impurities or residue that could interfere with product absorption. Overall, micellar water is a versatile and gentle cleansing solution that can simplify your skincare routine while effectively removing makeup and impurities, leaving your skin clean, refreshed and ready for the next steps in your skincare regimen.
I will leave the link in the description box for purchase. Do share this video with your friends and family so that it will be useful for them too. Until then, I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.